our circumstances. Changed my hair, made some enhances. We grew so close, I lost my innocence. As he told me things I didn't know. I guess this is just how things go. With no explanation, flew away like a ghost. 3 years of a friendship, you just changed your mind. You are giving me guilty eyes. You're not dead, but instead dead to me. So I'll cut your chest open, all the lies. I'll fill out the autopsy report. Our friendship departing, open me new doors. The autopsy report. I guess things needed to come to an end. Even if it's your best friend, I'm different now, I got up the sound. So I'll cut my hair and tuck in my clothes. Now I'm finally who I wanted to be. I got so attached, and I still look back to all the good times we had. All of those laughs means nothing to you. Now you broke my heart, and you didn't mind watching me fall apart. 3 years of a friendship, you just changed your mind. You are giving me guilty eyes. You're not dead, but instead dead to me. So I'll cut your chest open, all the lies. I'll fill out the autopsy report. Our friendship departing, open me new doors. The autopsy report.